Come over here. I want to see. Justice, come here. Justice. She's really big, huh? You're telling her to go in her crate? No, her name's Justice, not Yaya. Bye! That's a bigger one, huh? It's bigger than Sasha's. Justice. Yeah, come here, Leon. Come say hi. Boo. Justice, sit. Sit. Hey. Come here. Come here. Probably not a very smart idea to be recording. I'm trying to tell with you. Yeah, she's bigger. You gotta be careful. Justice. Come here, Justice. Look, there's your food. Oh, great. She does the same thing as Sasha. Starts grabbing food and walking away with it. That's her food. Justice. Come here, Justice. 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 Oh, she heard Sasha. Yeah, he's hiding her. Come here. Alright, let me turn this off.